Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create our letter generator template from scratch. This tool is incredibly useful for generating professional and personalized letters. And if you're curious to see it in action, there's a demonstration video linked in the description below. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's begin by adding the prompt component. This will define the template and structure of your letters, ensuring the chatbot produces personalized, professional content based on the provided inputs. Make sure to customize the letter format according to your needs, whether it's formal, casual, or specialized for specific industries. The prompt details are included in the description below and shown on the screen for you to copy. You can tweak this to fit your preferences. After that, connect the prompt to a text generator, which will generate the actual content of the letter. Finally, link the text generator to the output to complete the setup. And there you have it. We've successfully created the letter generator template. Be sure to experiment with different input prompts to refine the type of letters you want to produce. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or reach out directly.